Maintaining your Aseptico AMC-25 mobile dental cart is a simple and easy process that ensures the unit will function at optimal levels for years to come. Each time you plug in and power on your unit, it is best to wait for the air tank to fill up and for the compressor to shut off before use. Upon startup, you should also ensure the appropriate water bottles are filled, the working surfaces have been wiped down, and the handpiece lines have been flushed for about 20 seconds. It is also advised to back the air water syringe with a single-use plastic sleeve. After every patient, flush the handpiece lines for 5 seconds, remove the syringe tip and used handpieces, and clean all visible signs of contamination and send to your autoclave. You may need to check with your handpiece manufacturer for additional steps before autoclave. In addition, remove and replace any single-use sleeves. Clean the external surfaces of the chassis that were contacted during use using a soft cloth moistened with a mild detergent or bleach-based wipes, and remove the HVE and saliva ejector valves from their hoses and autoclave. At the end of the day, it is important to clean the hoses with a non-foaming disinfectant solution and empty the waste container via the purge pump. Once empty, remove the waste container and clean the interior with a mild disinfectant solution. Monitor the waste level after every patient in case it fills before the end of the day. When the waste container is 90% full, it will automatically shut off the compressor. After this, you will need to purge the air in the tank and close the valve when finished. Once a week, it is advised to open the waste container and clean out the amalgam solids trap. It is also important to clean and flush all the lines. To do this, fill the water bottles with a 1 to 10 bleach solution. Turn on the main power, open all the water coolant knobs, toggle on all the instrument holder switches, and run the bleach through all the lines, allowing it to sit for 10 minutes. When finished, turn off the bottle pressure switch. Remove and empty both water bottles prior to reinstalling. Reinstall water bottles once emptied, then toggle the bottle pressure switch on. Now either all at once or once at a time, hold the scaler and the handpiece connections and completely purge all lines, leaving the system dry until the next use. Finally, remove the pump connection from the waste container and use an air-water syringe to clear the duckbill valve of debris. Following these maintenance steps upon startup, after every patient, at the end of the day and once a week, ensures your unit stays in optimal working condition throughout its lifespan. For more information, please visit our website or call us at 866-244-2954.